Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of Flozy for beginners. So this video will have everything you need to know about workflow automation and all the key features and benefits of using Flozy. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here, just type in flozy.com on your web browser and you should be able to see this landing page right here. So this is the main page of Flozy, and you can straight up log into your account if you already have one. But if not, then you can click on Get Started, and you should be able to sign up with your credentials and choose one of their plans and pricing. So once you've signed up, you're going to have to choose a plan. So here are their pricing or pricings. So you have the solopreneur plan for $49 per month, which includes up to 2 team members, unlimited onboarding funnels, unlimited clients, flows, invoices, proposals, chat, and 10 gigabyte storage drive. For the Pro plan, it's for $89 per month, which includes 1 user and up to 5 team members, onboarding funnels, unlimited clients, flows, invoices, proposals, chat, 100 gigabyte storage drive with white label client portal, custom domain, AI integration, and automations. So for any add-ons, you can purchase an extra team member per month for $12 per month. All right, so those are their pricing. If you want to subscribe to Flozy, and actually to just create an account, you're gonna need a subscription. So before we get started on their key features, Flozy is basically an all-in-one platform designed to streamline operations for digital businesses, agencies, consultants, and service providers. It consolidates various tools into a single interface, enhancing efficiency and client management. So here we can see some of their main features with clients, so you can manage your clients. You have invoices, so you can get paid faster, flows for managing internal projects, tasks for managing your tasks, CRM for tracking your leads, and then for chat, so that you can always get messages, and then Brain is for managing SOPs and notes, and then their dashboard to oversee your business. So we're going to try to go over each one of these features, starting with clients. So for managing clients, you can see here, you get to build excellent client relationships. So our clients feature is a powerful tool that empowers you to create customized workspaces exclusively for your clients. You can seamlessly communicate, assign tasks, write notes, and effortlessly track all ongoing work within these dedicated spaces. So you can enjoy streamlined collaboration, enhanced organization, and a comprehensive view of your client projects, ensuring exceptional client management and project success. So why choose Flozy for your clients? You can take advantage of the client's feature to strengthen client satisfaction, improve project outcomes, and maximize your overall efficiency in serving your clients. So right here, you can see their clients' dashboard or features right here. So you have the internal and external. This is a preview of that. So this is your entire team and clients in the same place. You can build a custom workspace for your clients and invoice your clients in over 100 plus currencies and with more than 12 payment methods. As well, you can also keep track of the work you do with your clients, create contracts, SOPs, and onboarding flows all in the same place with price protection, wherein you can get the best deals always. So here's a sample of that interface for the clients tool. You can get more done in less time. There's a real-time overview. Get an up-to-the-minute snapshot of your progress with a real-time overview. Stay in the know, make informed decisions, and effortlessly track your success. You can stay connected with your customers. And there's also an app store apparently available for Flozy, so you can access it if you're always on the go, which is always beneficial. So you can keep track of your clients and your customer relationships even while you're out there on the field. So that's what we have for client tool. We also have here the invoices. So for managing invoices, streamline your invoicing process and boost your cash flow. So you can customize your invoice templates. There's invoice available in over 100 plus currencies, so you can go global and always expand your reach while accelerating growth and simplifying currency conversions. You can also download invoices. There's unparalleled security. So with your data, you can always trust that it's secure with state-of-the-art encryption protocols. You can add custom fields to your invoices. You get to have, or you get access to detailed reports wherein you can gain valuable insights into your invoicing performance with detailed reports. There's advanced analytics, and you can also build your customer portal, enhancing customer experience and building stronger relationships by creating a customized customer portal. So here you can see the sample or the preview of creating an invoice. You have this typical draft right here. So that's what we have for managing invoices. Moving on to flows or managing internal projects. So here you can manage internal projects easily with everything in one place. So Flozy is great at managing internal and external projects, starting with driving synergy and collaboration across teams, elevating your strategic planning to a whole new level, and helping you make informed decisions and prioritize your most impactful work. So here is a preview of the task board that's available for managing workflows. You can see here, you can change the view from list, board to Gantt, and it's also categorized as you can see. So these are the ongoing tasks and these are the to-do tasks. There's also a level of priority and of course the assignee and the date as well. So it's very organized, and of course this is what you need to easily track your tasks and everything else, and including all the workflows you need. So managing projects and tasks have never been easier, and you can create recurring tasks or schedule your next launch. So this is also beneficial if you want to just automate certain tasks that need to be automated so that you don't have to manually input it every time it has to repeat, let's say in a fiscal year or maybe in a monthly basis. At least you get to automate that process, giving you less work and of course allowing you to spend time on other things that matter in your business. And then here you can manage and get the most out of your team, lead and empower your team to reach new heights, foster collaboration, streamline communication, and drive productivity for outstanding results. So you can stay organized, delegate tasks effectively, and create a cohesive team environment to maximize success. Right? So that's for managing workflows. Now we're going to check out tasks, or how we can manage tasks using Flozy. So this is a similar preview of what we've seen from managing workflows. So Flozy is a productivity warehouse. So you have this calendar view. You can experience a panoramic view of your workflow with our calendar feature. You can see all your tasks, their due dates, and progress elegantly organized in a user-friendly calendar interface. All right, so you also have the Kanban view. So it looks like this. And then the list view for a more traditional approach. So there, feel free to use what's more pleasing or what's more organized into your eyes and into your team's eyes. So again, the easier it is to look at, the easier it is to manage and view your projects and tasks at a glance. All right, so here, workflows for any project, big or small, you have for project management, meetings, onboarding, and other task management. So you get to do more with Flozy. You can stay organized, stay on track, and hit deadlines. All right, so moving on to, so that's tasks, and then of course we have CRM. So you can keep track of your leads, track your task, or manage custom lists. Boards for any clients, projects big or small. You have a lead management CRM, reminders and due date, custom fields, custom cards, custom views. All right, so anything you need for automating CRM, you have it right here. Now for chat feature, just straightforward. You get audio and HD video calling, screen sharing, and internal and external chat. Of course, it's all beneficial and necessary for team collaboration. So those are the just basic chat features. And Brain for managing SOPs, contracts, notes, and more. You can see a preview of that here. And then what else do we have? We have the docs here, similar to how Google Docs or Microsoft Word functions. And then so it's very familiar and it's easy to get used to this kind of process. So it's not since it's not foreign to you, it'll be a breeze trying to get in the know of how to use it using Flozy. We also have proposal presentation, creating contracts right here, and then Infinity AI. All right, so that's for managing SOPs or managing SOPs and notes. And then finally, dashboard, so you can oversee your entire business. So you have this graph right here for sales and expenses. So this is a preview of how it looks like. It also has a notification section, and I believe you get to freely customize this dashboard to your satisfaction. You get to see a preview of messages here, today's task, and time zones, I believe, right here. So bring the big picture into view. Onboard clients in one simple step. Make work fun. Teamwork is easier when tools talk. All right, so that's it for the dashboard, and that basically sums up all the features of Flozy. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.